In this movie we're going to write code to get a robot to follow a grey road on a green background. The robot has two sensors near the front of it which look at the road. In this first picture, the left sensor has moved off the road onto the grass and the robot needs to come back onto the road again. We can see that if the left sensor is on the green, then the robot needs to head to the right to get back on the road. This means the right track needs to slow down a bit. In the next picture, the left sensor is on the road again and the right motor can go back up to full speed. Once we understand this, we can write some pseudocode to say what we want the robot to do. It sounds like this. If the left sensor is on green, slow down the right motor. Else, right motor, full speed. The first bit of this is easy. It just means that if the left sensor goes off the road, we must slow the right motor down. The else part is a wee bit tricky. It tells you what to do if the sensor is not on the green. If it's not on the green, then it's on the grey, and you want the motor to go full speed. That's why it says else, right motor full speed. So the statement means this. If the sensor is on the green, slow the right motor, or else, if it's not on the green, make the right motor go full speed. So that's our pseudocode, and now we convert it into real code. The real code is shown here beside the pseudocode. To see if the left sensor is on the green, we have to analog read the pin that the left sensor is connected to. For me it was A0. You may have it on another pin. Less than 400 means the sensor is on the green. For you, the figure may not be 400. It could be some other number. You will have to check this for yourself. The speed of the right motor is controlled by pin 11. So if we make pin 11 be less than 255, we are slowing down the right motor. You may not want to slow it down to 180, just work out a number that suits you. The next thing to do is to look at the right sensor. This picture shows that if the right sensor is on the green, we need to slow the left motor. The next picture shows that if the right sensor is on the grey, the left motor can go back up to full speed. This picture shows both the pseudocode and the real code for doing this. It is really similar to what we did for the left sensor.